3 hours ago, we didn't know what to do this night. And now, we are heading to the Ardennes to see some friends. They hired a villa for a few nights, and we were fortunate enough to come over. It's crazy how one question can influence your life. It's quite beautiful actually. So, once we arrived, we had to see the sun go down and get ready for an awesome night. We had to leave early the next morning, but there was still something on my bucket list that I had to do. Later that day, we went out to get some drone shots and explore the area. It's crazy how the landscape can be so different with only a 2-hour drive. We often look for beauty in faraway places, while there are so many adventures close to home. Keep your eyes open and seize these opportunities.